In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step of the process to ensure you can effortlessly send out those all-important invoices to your clients. To begin with, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. You can simply perform a quick Google search for QuickBooks Online, and the official website should be the first result. Once on the website, look for the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click it. This will prompt you to log in with your QuickBooks account credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you might want to hit the Sign Up button and follow through with their easy setup process. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. This is your central hub for managing finances, and it's where we'll initiate the process of sending an invoice. Look for the New button, which is generally available in the main toolbar. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down list of different documents and transactions you can create. From this list, select Invoice. This selection will take you into the invoice creation format, allowing you to detail the specifics of the transaction you're processing. A crucial component of your invoice is, of course, the customer details. QuickBooks Online makes this easy. Go ahead and select a customer from your list. If this is a new customer, you'll have the option to add their details directly from this screen, ensuring your records are continuously updated and accurate. Next, you'll want to specify the products or services you're billing for. You'll see fields to manually add these items along with descriptions and prices. Take your time to ensure that each line item is accurate, reflecting the service or product provided. Then move on to entering the amount due for each item. This is straightforward but requires attention to ensure the correct numbers are inputted. Keep in mind that accuracy here is key to avoiding any confusion later on. Once your items and amounts are correctly logged, it's time to account for any applicable taxes. QuickBooks offers a field for tax calculation right on the invoice form. Input your applicable tax rates to round off your invoice details. With everything set, look for the Save and Send button. Clicking this will prepare your invoice for sending, but before it goes out, you'll be prompted to confirm. Click Yes to proceed, ensuring you double-check all details before sending. Finally, click on Send and Close to dispatch your invoice to your customer. And there you have it. Your invoice has been successfully sent with a few simple clicks. By following these steps, you can ensure invoices are sent out effectively, reflecting professionalism and keeping your accounting accurate. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.